In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create quotes in HubSpot. So to do that, you first need to head over here into your HubSpot and click on the This Commerce and click on Quotes. So as you can see, this feature is included in the Commerce Hub Professional. So for this case, you have the option to start a trial or purchase it directly. So let's head over and then use it. So here's our quote. So click on the This Create Quote option. Now you can search in here for associated fields that you want added. So head over and search right here for the deal that you want. So you can choose as well in here the template that you want for that. You can either create a new deal or choose one existing deal for that. Since I don't have a deal yet, let me head over and then create a new one right here. Let's enter right here the deal name. For example, let's input right here HTY and then choose right here the pipeline, the amount for this particular deal, as well as a close date. Click on create right here. Once the deal has been added, you can click on create quote. And then after that, quote will be created, which actually in turn will give you the option to see how it will look. So just wait for this for a bit before opening this one. Here's the sample of the quote, the currency, the company, line items, and the likes. Once you're done, head over and click on share. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.